everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're starting another vlog today. Happy Vlogmas. It is Wednesday. I almost said it was Tuesday. No, wait. What day is it? Yeah, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, December 9th. It's almost 2 o'clock. We've had a very busy day to begin with, so I apologize for not picking up the vlog camera sooner. Elizabeth's getting gas right now, so we're just sitting waiting for that to fill up, and then we're gonna swing by Starbucks. The real reason we left the house was obviously to go get our Starbucks for today. We ordered different drinks actually. I got a nitro cold brew with sweet cream, and then Elizabeth got a cold brew with the almond milk dark cocoa foam or something. It looks delicious.
It's amazing.
So we're gonna go grab that, and then we're gonna go back to the house because we're gonna run some errands. My mom is just on the phone right now, so we were like, we'll pop out, we'll get the coffee, and then we're going to drop off a bunch of packages. My mom and I packaged this morning. That's what we did. We were packaging a bunch of busy brunching orders because the other day I had a quick little flash sale. I just did free shipping and it went over. Oh, I thought we knew that person. So we have so many orders, and we actually didn't even fulfill all of them because we had to reorder the mugs. So you could like order them for pre-order. They should be coming pretty soon. We sold out of 72 mugs, and we just ordered another 36, which is crazy. And then this is the third order of candles that we've been doing. So those we still have to fulfill. So I just also wanted to mention that on the vlog in case you guys are interested in the candles or the mugs. We are restocking them, but they're just gonna have to take a little bit. And also I feel like shipping has been taking just a while longer because of COVID. But anywho, we're on our way to Starbucks right now. We're gonna grab the drinks, we're gonna go back, then we're going to go to the post office, or UPS. We're dropping off some Christmas gifts to friends and family, and then we're gonna go to Ulta because we're all out of like a bunch of products. You know, when you like get to that point when you need to do a restock. So that's what the plan is. And then I'm gonna go back home and we're probably gonna film, right? Well, you're not. You're still in school. Elizabeth is still in school. I forgot
a paper today.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Crazy. I have to take a test later.
I feel like we're getting low energy from you. So yeah, okay, that's the update for right now. I'll probably
can't always be on.
Okay,
you know?
well now you've just completely derailed this vlog. Maybe we'll test the drinks again. I mean, we didn't order like a bunch of. Also, definitely check the video out. Elizabeth and I did like a taste testing of Starbucks drinks, like holiday drinks. We didn't do it right, but I still decided to post it. Just slap that on the internet. But we can try the drinks that we got today and give you updates on how you feel about that. We're really having.
They're different.
They're different. I've gotten the nitro cold brew with sweet cream before, but
I've had mine before too.
We're really having a fun time trying out a bunch of different drinks on the Starbucks menu. I think it's because I've been ordering it online and it's just like so many different options. I'm like, yeah, that sounds good. Do we know that person?
I don't know, but did you order it here?
Yeah, I did. So, and if it's not here, then we have an issue, but it's definitely here. Okay, somebody take it. Somebody take it. I'm gonna run in and get it. We're gonna get it.
Drop you off right here.
Okay, better idea.
Yoo-hoo! It is I am back. I am not wearing a hat, and I'm sure you guys are like, oh my god, we're not dark. I'm sure you guys are like, hey now, like, where's your hat? So I brought it. It kind of matches the set I'm wearing a little bit. Fun colors, good puff, and yeah, it's a soft puff too. Sometimes it's a rough puff, just like on the Great British Baking Show. You can have a rough puff pastry. Anywho, we went and saw some Christmas lights last night, and let me tell you, that gets you in the Christmas spirit. My birthday is in, I don't even know what day it is. It's today. It's not, okay, today's the 9th, so my birthday's in 3 days, and like, I'm so excited. I got my first present last night from Max, and so I'm very excited to open all my other presents, and then I get to use them before Christmas, and then it tides me over till like February, March, and then I want some more presents, but just in time for Easter. So Emily went inside to get our drinks. She brought a mask this time. Today I got up at 8:30, 8:45. Really 8:50, and then I laid in bed till 8:55. So I got up around 9, and then I finished my 6-page paper that I'm writing. I actually really like writing papers. It's just like crank them out, you know, just find different adjectives and write a thesis and you're golden. So I edited that, and then I wrote a 3-page paper in like an hour. And I was like, oh my god, you know what I did was I put on the Pride and Prejudice soundtrack because it's like very, I don't even know the word. It's very just, it drives you, you know, it like gets you going, that classical music, a period piece. And then I did that, had first watch, and now I'm going to go home and take a test for history. But then that's my final, so then I'm done. Finale. little bit about me.
So I just ran into Starbucks. This is what it looks like. I got the Nitro Sweet Cream Cold Brew, and Ebeth got, it looks really good, Elizabeth.
No, it looks amazing.
No, it looks amazing.
Okay, let me
I haven't tasted, okay. I haven't taken a sip of mine yet. I mean, I've had this before, so I don't know why I'm acting so dramatic.
Just a crazy
new world. Honestly, what has been so much fun is trying new drinks every single day.
Wow.
Is it good?
I mean, I've had it before.
I know.
But it's still amazing.
Still, like,
every single time
I still get, wait, okay, wait, stop the car for a second, because I'm gonna try mine.
Middle of the road, stop the car. Should I put my hat on?
Mine's really good too. I feel like yours is better. Mine's good though.
I'm going straight.
Wait, shoot!
What?
Oh, I got the nitro. I wanted ice.
That's on you.
That is on me. That's a me thing.
Problem.
Shoot, I'm actually so angry.
Do you want me to give you some of my ice?
Can I just try it? Yeah, like you can't even compare it. It's because it's colder because you get the ice with it. Should I order another one?
No.
But I think I might want to. Okay, so we are taking some more of our Emily and Beau's merch packages to the post office, and we're gonna ship all of these out. So many packages, so exciting. Okay, and then we're loading up my dad's work gifts, which we're gonna take to the UPS store as well and ship all of these out. I think this is like a little bit more of a process. Okay, I'm here with Mom. We're really jamming out to Christmas music, and we're pulling in to UPS, and we have a lot of things that we're gonna bring in that we're shipping out for everyone, which is very exciting. Oop, and it seems to be very busy. Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh no. Okay, because we might need to like back in.
Oh, there's a person behind me.
Okay, maybe we'll loop it around. Yeah. But we're just running some errands, and then after this we're gonna go to Ulta. Okay, so for the most part, I have finished packing, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what I'm bringing. I'm not bringing a whole bunch. We're only there for like 3 days, and most of the time we're probably just gonna be like hanging out in our house. But I laid out my outfit that I'm wearing on the plane, so I'm just wearing these black jeans and then this little sweater, which is super easy, and then I'm just gonna wear like a little pair of sneakers, just a good travel outfit. And then I'm bringing my regular light wash jeans just to have, and then I have all my shoes here. I'm wearing those black booties for dinner, and then I brought 2 pairs of like my Golden Goose, and then a little pair of sneaker to wear on the plane, which I'll take out. And then I'm also bringing my loafers, and then over there I'm bringing 2 sets. The first is the one that Elizabeth gave me for my birthday, and then the second is my J.Crew set. And then over here I have like my hiking and workout outfits, so I brought 2 Lululemon outfits and jackets, a vest, and then I'm bringing my Adidas Ultra Boosts because those are going to be good for walking and hiking. And then I'm bringing these forest green corduroys from J.Crew, and then a little cashmere sweater. This is going to be one of the outfits for dinner, and then I might wear it with this headband, and I'm gonna wear my loafers with this outfit. And then we're all bringing these new J.Crew pajamas that we have that are matching for in honor of Elizabeth's birthday, so I'm just gonna wear those for all 3 days. And then this pile is just like extra top, so I have just a black turtleneck, this little cheetah print top, which is cute, a navy thin like mock neck, and then this cute little cable knit pullover. It actually has a little hood. And then I'm bringing this light jacket because it's actually supposed to be like 60 degrees there, so it's not gonna be too cold. And then this is a leather dress, which I'm wearing with black tights and these black booties for like the dressier night. So not too many things. Obviously I still need to do my toiletries, makeup, and then like my computer, iPad, stuff like that. I think I'm gonna take my MC Wallace bag as my travel bag just because I can fit way more, and my chargers and cameras and stuff like that. I'm gonna go get my suitcase. I will show you guys my suitcase in a second. They're actually new ones and they're always matching, so we all like to match our suitcases. And then I'm gonna stick everything in here, hop in the shower, and then I need to start editing today's video so I can get that up. But I just thought it'd be fun to share. Okay, so I just went upstairs and grabbed my suitcase, and I wanted to show you guys because I thought that you would enjoy it. So back in like the middle of quarantine, we purchased new suitcases. I think there must have been like a sale or something going on, or we thought that we needed it. Like we were maybe gonna travel in the summer. I have no idea. Or we were just bored. So we got new CalPack. I actually picked them out, suitcases. They're from Nordstrom. I'm gonna take it out of the case or the covering so I can show you. It's like a pretty rose gold color. And then I grabbed my MC Wallace bag. This is the smaller version, not like the huge travel size. It's more of like a tote. And I got it in the beginning of the school year thinking that this was gonna be like my school bag to like replace a backpack, but I never ended up going in person for classes. So I used it a few times when I would go to coffee shops, but honestly, this is just great travel bags, super stretchable bags. You can get them at Nordstrom and they're really durable, perfect for out and about. So I'm gonna put like my computer, iPad, vlog camera, big camera, all of that stuff in here to take. That way, because sometimes when I bring my Louis Vuitton, it really stretches everything out, and this is like made for it, so I figured it'd be better. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and then start putting things in my suitcase. Okay, this is what the suitcase looks like. It's a really pretty rose gold color. It's a little bit more square than I thought, but I love it. And they're like super durable and protective. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just opened this up. I was wondering if it was so heavy when I was carrying it down. There is another baby suitcase within here. I had no idea. I don't know if we ordered it or if it just like normally comes with it, but I don't think it's gonna be big enough for the trip, so I'm gonna take this back upstairs. But I just wanted to show you that it comes with another, it's 2 suitcases in one, which I had no idea. Okay, so that was really fast. We're pretty much all packed up. We actually have a lot more room, so most of the stuff is right here, and then just a few items like pajamas, my socks, and then I put my box of shoes over there just to keep them protected. So that was really easy, super organized. These suitcases are pretty big, I will say, which is great. And then I have all my stuff for tomorrow, like my jacket, my shoes, and my bag, which I still need to pack. But I'll probably pack that in the morning, honestly. So I'm gonna go take a shower, and yeah. Okay, so here's my outfit for traveling. Sorry, I've been like running around getting everything together. But I'm wearing this sweater, which is actually Elizabeth. She brought it into my room last night and she was like, do you want to wear this? And I was like, absolutely, it's so cute. I'll figure out where it's from. So I'm like so out of breath. And then I'm wearing these earrings, which were actually sent to me. I like rediscovered them when I was going through my room, so I'll leave a link down below. And then black pants, black jeans. And then I'm wearing my little white St. Laurents, which I never wear because I never know what they go with, and they're really comfortable, so they're my perfect little travel shoes. So this is the outfit, and then here's all my stuff right here. I'm taking my MZ Wallace, which is really filled up with like computer, iPad, camera, stuff like that. Does this ever happen to you guys where you straighten your hair but then you have to go like somewhere, and so this is cooling off? And then this is just my jacket I'm gonna bring. It's probably gonna end up being pretty, it's gonna be warmer once we get there, so that's like a good light jacket, and then my phone, and we're ready to go.